Good morning, student. Let us start chapter 10, Circle. In this chapter, we start theorems. Okay. I am telling you only that theorem which we need in the exercise and it is important for your chapter. This is the theorem first. Here written the theorem is 3, but in your course the first theorem is the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. It means if we have a circle and AB is the chord and AB is the chord, O is the center, and from the center we make a perpendicular OC. This is the OC. We can make a perpendicular OC on AB. Then OC bisect AB in equal part, means AC is equal to CB. Then how to prove it? Look, given AB is the chord of the circle, COR, R is the radius, O is the center, and OC is perpendicular to AB. What we have to prove? To prove AC and BC are equal. Then construction means हमें क्या construct करना है? We construct OA, join OA and OB, OA and OB. Now proof. We know that the angle OCA and OCB both are 90, it is a given, and in right angle triangle ACO and BCO we have OA and OB. This is the radius, and OC and OC are equal, means same है, common है. It means triangle ACO and BCO both are equal या congruent. Then it comes AC and BC are equal by CPCT. You know everyone about the CPCT. Same as it is in converse. If the line joining the center of the circle to the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. It means if we have a chord AB and midpoint C and we draw the perpendicular to OC, then it means these are, ठीक है, मतलब perpendicular है तो वो chord equal होगी. The line joining the center of the circle to the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. लाइन दिया है, मिड पॉइंट दिया है, अगर इसको में से ज्वाइन करते हैं तो ये पहले ही 90 डिग्री की हो जाएगी. बस क्या होना चाहिए? वी हैव टू द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ सी ए बी, द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए बी इज सी. सो इफ वी मेक अ लाइन फ्रॉम ओ, देन ओ सी इज परपेंडिकुलर. दिस इज द कन्वर्स ऑफ द थ्योरम. नाउ वी आर ट्राई टू स्टार्ट सम क्वेश्चंस on the basis of these theorems. Let us start. Now students, find the length of the chord which is at the distance 3 centimeter from the center of the circle and radius is 5. Length of the chord, it means we have to find AB. Okay, now O is the center and OC is perpendicular. We can use the formula Pythagoras theorem. In triangle AOC, we can apply OA square is equal to AC square plus OC square. OA की value given, OA is the given and OC is the given. We can find the value of AC. AC is calculating the AC, that comes 4. Then AB is equal to 2 into 4 comes 8. It means AC and BC are equal. So AC is 4, then CB is also 4, then AB is 8 centimeter. Is it okay to everyone? Now, next, find the distance of the chord of the length 8 centimeter फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल ऑफ रेडियस 5। अब देखिए इसमें रेडियस दे रखा है, अब हमें परपेंडिकुलर फाइंड करना है, सेम एज इट इज़। ओके, लुक हेयर, ओ सी की वैल्यू हमें 3 सेंटीमीटर आ गई। तो दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इजी, वेरी वेरी मच इजी, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू 2 or 1 question is okay. Now I am telling you one question, just a minute. This is based on the same pattern, but here we given the 2 chord, like 2 chord AB and CD are length 5 centimeter and 11 centimeter respectively of a circle are parallel. If distance between the AB and CD is 3 centimeter, find the radius of the circle. Okay, now how we look here? Firstly, we make 2 chord AB and CD. The distance between, just a minute, look here, the distance between 3 both circle, both chord AB and CD, the distance between AB and CD is 3 centimeter, which is given in our question. Okay, now the CQ 11/12 and AP, this is the AP, this is the CQ, this is the Q, ये Q है और ये P है, हाफ हो जाएगा O से P तक। O से P तक अगर हम लेते हैं, this is the P, then it comes x plus 3, this is the x, OQ is the x, we can written here OQ equal to x. Then in triangle COQ, firstly we have to take the angle COQ, 11/12, 11/2, x square r square, because OC is the r square. Now this is the equation first. Now triangle AOP, ये वाला ट्रायंगल लेंगे तो देख रहे हैं कि O इज आल्सो R रेडियस, दिस मीन्स R स्क्वायर x प्लस 3 स्क्वायर 5/2 का होल स्क्वायर। फ्रॉम 1 and 2 both are equal to R, then we have to open the square and simplify it properly, then we get the answer of x. This is the answer of the x, means 5/2. Now putting in any equation 1 or 2, we get the value of R. This is the value of R. So this type of the question you have also faced in your exercise. So now the next theorem is the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Okay, it means I am telling you very simple way. Okay, there is no proving come in your exam, only the application should be come in your exam. So you may apply the formula. Okay, like a formula, how to we apply? Look here, this is the circle and this is the center. Okay, center, this is angle which makes at the center. Okay, POQ and PRQ. तो POQ प्रूफ हमें क्या करना था? POQ equal to 2 times PRQ. It means if we have the angle here 30, okay, PRQ is 30, then it means 60 is here. अगर ये आपको 30 दे रखा है तो ये डबल हो जाता है 60। यही चीज़ इसमें कह रहा है, द एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय एन आर्क, एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय एन आर्क, दिस इज द आर्क, एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय एन आर्क ऑफ द सर्किल एट द सेंटर, दिस इज द सेंटर इज डबल, यहाँ वाला एंगल डबल होता है किसका? द एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय इट एट एनी पॉइंट ऑन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सर्किल। सर्किल के किसी भी पार्ट पर अगर हम इसी आर्क से, दिस इज द आर्क, इसी आर्क से हम कोई भी एंगल खींचते हैं तो वो एंगल सेंटर पर डबल हो जाता है जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट पे खींचा जाता है. दिस इज द थ्योरम, वेरी सिंपल वे हाउ टू अप्लाई इन द क्वेश्चन. लेट अस स्टार्ट. Only one theorem is there, cyclic quadrilateral. This is not a theorem, this is application. What is the application? The sum of the either pair of the opposite angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is 180. It means if any circle have 4 points in cyclic form, जैसे P, Q, R, S, then the opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, means P and R, addition of both is 180, and S and Q, angle S plus angle Q is equal to 180. Is it okay to everyone? Now, how to apply in the question? Let us start. This is the first question in figure. O is the center of the circle. The measure of angle LMN is 110. Find the measure of angle ONL. This is the angle, okay, LMN is 110. It means measure of ONL. This is, we want to this angle. Firstly, we have to make this. These are in a cyclic quadrilateral. Then if it is the 110, then it comes 70. Okay, we have to complete this in the form of naming. Angle NML plus angle NPL is equal to 180. One is given, then other is 70. If this is 70, it means this is 140. Okay, this is the double of the angle at the center, then it comes 140. Now we are taking angle LOM. These are two radius, then it is x, then we have to find the value of x. It comes 20. Is it okay? Now the next question is, if O is the center of the circle, find the value of x in each of the given figure. This is our figure, and we have to find if P and Q both are in same segment. Same segment means if the arc is same, the both angles are equal. Now we are using the triangle, and P plus Q plus PRQ is equal to 180. Putting the value of P and Q, we have to find the value of x, which is written here. Okay, now the value of x is 40, and R and S are same segment, then it comes also 40. So this is our question. Same as it is, our question is going on. Whole exercise, this is very much easier part, but if you have properly read and properly understand the theorem, so you can also complete your exercise now.